Today, I'll be showing you guys how to paint your toenails pink and yellow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting 3 of your toenails yellow. Instagram in the description below. Now paint the other 2 pink. Now for the fun part. Take your dotting tool and put pink polka dots on the yellow polish. Just a little side note, you can change your dotting tool to make the polka dots smaller. Check out the cards at the top of the video and the videos on the end screen. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.